All right, in this experiment, we're going to see how high this chunk of wood will fly.
Or the can.
Or the can. Alex, are you on target?
Yep.
Safety off?
Yep.
All right, there we go. You got yours covered? You got yours covered, Alex?
Yep.
All right, shoot it when you're ready.
Miss!
Want to try one last time?
Yep.
All the way back. All the way back. And all the way forward. Let me help you. Ready?
Oh, shoot.
Okay, well, that was first one was a fail.
Are you ready? Is that
Time
for
for
Ryan?
number 2, yeah.
Okay, let's see you do it.
I felt it!
And I felt the wind hit me, actually. And
Oh my gosh! Holy
there is some
People are gonna be calling
wood in the water. And we
I think that one had a bigger boom.
and I think the can
You should have done that.
might have exploded.
Had that one stuck
But
in
this one
the microphone, huh?
was awesome!
Oh, did I turn that off?
No, let's go and videotape
Turn it
the
off.
turbo.